My name is Brian Crotty. I'm from RPM, Rapid Product Manufacturing out of Helmstedt, Germany. We've been in additive manufacturing for 25 years, and since just under a year, we're the first installation of the Xtreme 8K in a service bureau here in Europe. So the best is actually not thinking about it as a prototype, but thinking about it, what are the parts that you have in 20, in 50, in 100, in 200, where we can do the work once of making them optimized to print in additive manufacturing, and then get the value out of it, but still stay below where you would have the price point for traditional manufacturing. RPM is 1/3 additive, 1/3 casting, 1/3 injection molding. For us, additive is an important way that we can capture the customer at the beginning, keep them with RPM, and then move to injection molding when it makes sense, and also move back to additive when we get to the end of life of the parts. One of the reasons why we chose the Xtreme 8K and this material is because we're getting, for industrial applications, the mechanical properties and also the part quality that we need for end-use applications. It has a higher performance for repeated applications than a lot of the TPUs. And we have this fine level of detail for the part and the big build chamber. So we're building also big parts where we're really building to the full height. That's a lot harder to get to the quality that we need out of the powder base. Also with thin walls, something that we can get here out of the Xtreme 8K. So at the end of the day, the key is finding these mid-range, slightly technical applications where there's a specific mechanical property demand on the part. Those are higher end machines where you have a repeated motion, not just a cover, or relatively small volumes, but you need a high level of detail on the parts that come out.